Kale discovers a glowing stone in his field after weeks of strange storms. The stone pulses with energy, whispering Kale's name. That night, Kale dreams of the ancient god, Thalor, the Stormbringer. He awakens with newfound power. Lightning sparks from his fingertips. The village elder tells him of a prophecy. Kyle is destined to face Thalor. Dark shadows rise from the earth, drawn to Kale's power. Kyle barely survives a brutal attack by shadow creatures. His powers grow, but so does the danger surrounding him. Thunder cracks as the sky opens. Thalor himself descends to confront Kyle. Kyle faces the god, a storm swirling around them. The battle is fierce, with lightning crashing between them. Kyle, against all odds, defeats Thalor, but chooses mercy. Thalor, impressed, offers Kale the mantle of Stormbringer. Kyle hesitates, but ultimately accepts the role of protector. The storms vanish, and the village breathes a sigh of relief. As he ascends, Kale's final words echo, "I am the storm now."